It may seem trivial, but your choice of oils to eat and cook with have a huge impact on your health. I personally think it's one of the biggest food choices you can make because so many oils are inflammatory and damaging to the body, and we know that inflammation causes every disease. Also, so many of our important body organs are made of fat, like every cell membrane in your body and your brain. If your cells aren't functioning right, you're headed for trouble. I would always avoid processed oils at all costs. Unfortunately, we were all taught in the past that vegetable oils were healthy and butter was bad, but it couldn't be further from the truth, but we know better now. Processed oils I'm referring to are all over the store shelves. That would be vegetable oils, corn oil, soybean, sunflower, safflower oil, canola oil, and canola is also GMO, so you're also getting a dose of pesticides unless it's organic. The reason that processed oils are so bad for us is because they're usually rancid. They're mostly omega-6 inflammatory fatty acids instead of the healthy omega-3. They tend to form harmful compounds when they're heated, and then harmful chemicals are used in their processing. If you go out to eat, they tend to use these cheaper processed oils to save money, but you can always ask. When it comes to cooking, it's very important what you choose because oils are damaged typically by light and heat. And that's why smart manufacturers sell their oils in darker containers to protect them from light. Now for high heat cooking, at least 400 or higher, I have two favorite choices. Avocado oil, because it has a high smoke point around 500, or ghee, G-H-E-E. The other term for it is clarified butter. Clarified butter means that it was butter with the milk solids removed, because butter would be a good choice to cook with, but the milk solids will burn. So ghee is also smart to get grass-fed so that it came from healthier cows so you're not exposed to as many harmful compounds. For medium heat cooking, I always like coconut oil. You can do other things like lard, some nut oils like hazelnut, almond, macadamia nut oil. You can use plain olive oil, but not extra virgin, or sesame oil. And then there's some oils that I just don't recommend ever using with heat because they're very fragile and easily damaged, like extra virgin olive oil or flax oil. There's a couple nut oils like walnut or pistachio. I just recommend using them at room temperature or cool, like for drizzling or making dressings, just so they don't get damaged. So to summarize, be careful what oils you cook with. I would avoid processed oils at all costs because you could be thinking you're cooking healthfully when actually it's the opposite because of the oils you're choosing. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.